I have sanded and wiped down the right side of the trailer. I decided I'm gonna go ahead and start painting it. All I'm gonna use is a clear coat, semi-gloss. This one right here, Urethane Ultimate Spar Urethane Oil Base. I plan to do maybe at least 3 coats. We'll see how it goes. I'm just gonna do this side for now, and I'm not gonna do the roof yet because I still have my straps on. I still want to leave those on for a couple more days. And then I am gonna switch this 1x2 here for like a 1x4. I also have a diamond plate coming to put in the front. So yeah, let's see how it turns out. I also wanted to add that this is how I'm doing. I'm using a foam roller. I'm just dipping it straight in the can. Coming to the trailer. That's all I'm doing. So how's it gonna turn out? I have no idea, but we are gonna find out. Oh, and yes, it smells great. All right, so this is after the first coat. It's probably gonna take 3-4 hours to dry because it's pretty chilly today. It's about 40 degrees. Between 50 and 40 degrees, I don't know. I went ahead and put the roller in a Ziploc bag. I don't know if that's gonna save it. If it doesn't, no big deal. I bought a 4-pack. Already sealed the paint. And yeah, that was all I was planning on doing. It kind of looks nice. So like I said, I'm probably gonna do at least minimum 3 coats. But so I'm gonna do 3 coats. If I still have more, I'll do another one. So yeah, and the reason I'm not doing the other side as well is because I did not move the trailer further this way to get enough room, and I did not clean the other side. I just was planning just to do this side right now. I've been impatient, wanting to see how it looked like. So, all right, we'll see. All right, so quick update. Let's see, I have done 4 coats now to the side panels, and it's looking okay, I think. And I have done 2 coats to, I guess, the ceiling, the front ceiling, front. Not sure how you call that, but anyways, so I have done 2 coats so far to that part, and 4 coats to the side. Just got done putting the 4th one. So yeah, it's taking forever to dry because it's cold. I put a 2nd coat this morning, no, a 3rd coat this morning, like probably like around 9 o'clock in the morning, and I was thinking about 4 hours. Hell, it was like 4 o'clock, and it still was tacky. So yeah, that took me a while. So all right, so quick update. I have used the entire gallon, and I have 4 coats on the top, 5 coats on the side, and I think that should be enough. If it's not enough, then you know what? Oh well. Tough shit. But I'm tired of painting this stuff. I cannot do anything else right now. So gonna let this dry. Hopefully it will be dry by tomorrow. It is cold. It's around 40 degrees, between 40 45 degrees right now. So it takes forever for this thing to dry. Here's the top. Well, yeah, so once this done, then I'll start working on the door. I'm waiting on some parts, some frames. I'm actually thinking I can put the edges on this once it's dry, that trim. So I might do that first. Then I still have to install the fan. And I still don't know what I'm gonna do with that seam there. I know I can put silicone. I'm thinking getting a piece of flat, maybe a 2-inch wide flat piece of aluminum, and just kind of like just glue it there. Some silicone that will make sure that, you know, if the wood moves and you won't break the steel. Alright, another update. I have gone ahead and mounted the ceiling fan. After doing so, I realized that it doesn't come with a cover. So I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do, some sort of wooden frame or something for that, so it looks better. It's not gonna keep me from using it, but it could look better. And then, oh, I got this handy AC port plug. So I just mounted that there. It's going in the trunk side. Has a plug there. Just want to have it just in case I have something that I want to use. Because I am planning on putting a regular outlet in that back wall. So that should be good. So I'm waiting to get some diamond plate to finish the front. I'm working on making some frames for my windows. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna mount and be able to open and close and hopefully not break. And then I'll give it a couple of days before I put the trim. So that's all I got done so far. All right.